Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to broadcast a WhatsApp message for your cosmetic and beauty store. For example, you have a cosmetic and beauty store and you want to share your offers to your multiple users at once. Sending each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a broadcast message in where at first step we will create a message template, then broadcast message. After that, schedule that message. You can also schedule your message for later as well as send instantly. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to broadcast a WhatsApp message for your cosmetic and beauty store business, let me give you a quick review about how this broadcast message will deliver to your predefined list of contacts in single click. Like this. See, hello beautiful, welcome to Glamoura Cosmetics, where beauty meets brilliance. Also providing me the special week offers, new arrivals as well as two options, that is more offers and call us. So if you want to send this type of broadcast message to your many users at once, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a broadcast message for our skincare clinic, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account with the help of this button, that is plus add WhatsApp number. If you click on this, then you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number or verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. The next one is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and you can respond them here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contact who interacted with your bot and also see contact details, create segments, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queues, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once. The seventh one is the flow, where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the records of the actions and events you have performed within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings and the 11th one is the get help. As we are creating a broadcast message for our skincare clinic, so I am clicking on this broadcast button. Here you can see this is the page where you can create a broadcast message for your different types of businesses. When you want to easily send a WhatsApp message to a predefined list of contacts, it is only possible with the help of broadcast. It is perfect for announcement and promotions. As we are creating a new broadcast, so I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. So this is the page where we are going to create a broadcast message for our cosmetic and beauty store. For that, I am selecting the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. Here I am providing the name of the broadcast, that is broadcast message for cosmetics and beauty. And in the select contact list, I'm selecting all unassigned contacts. You can add many contacts into your Pabbly Chatflow account and select this from here. Now you can see it will provide you two message types, that is pre-approved template message and regular message. I am creating this with pre-approved template message. For that, I'm selecting the WhatsApp template that I have already created before for my cosmetic and beauty store. Here I select this. See, it will show you. I'm also going to teach you how you can create this WhatsApp template in your Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, you have to click on this template option and go in this template list. So here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple templates for your different types of businesses. As we are creating a new template, so I am clicking on this plus add template button, where I am going to select the template category as marketing. The template name I'll provide as beauty store. After that, the language I'll select as English. Here you can see it will provide you many types of languages. Here I selected. After that, you can see it will provide you template types, that is text, image, video, document, location, etc. You can also write header in this template header box. It is optional. Now in this template format box, you have to write the template that you want to share with your users. So here I am writing. Here I wrote one template message for my users. In there also you can see the example of the template that they will go to your users. Here you can see I'll use this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my users in the bold format, like this. After that, if you want to write any footer, then you can write in this box. In the next, it will provide you 4 interactive actions, that is none, call to actions, quick replies and all. So here I am selecting that quick replies and writing 2 quick replies for my users. Here I write it, that is more offers and call us. You can see our template is completed. After that, you have to click on this submit button. Within 2 to 3 minutes, your templates will be approved. Now we will get back to our broadcast. So after that, you have to write username in this box and the number. Here I am entering as test user. Also write it the number. Here I write it. After that, you can see it will provide you 2 scheduled broadcast option, that is yes scheduled for later or no send instantly. So I am clicking on this no send instantly. After that, I am sending one test message to my WhatsApp account by clicking on the send test message option. Then you can see it will respond, that is test broadcast sent. See, it will again send one broadcast message in my WhatsApp account. So here I have done this as an example. You can add multiple contacts in this contact list and send your offers to your multiple users by single click. It is only possible with this WhatsApp broadcast feature that are available in this Pabbly Chatflow account. It will deliver your broadcast message to your many users like this. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.